Bienvenidos. Hoy vamos a cocinar papas chorreadas.
Vamos a usar un cuchillo, un sartén y la estufa con los ingredientes que son aceite de oliva, una cebolla, las patatas, la crema, tomates, sal y pimiento y el queso.
Primero, corte la cebolla con el cuchillo como esto. Caliente 2 cucharadas de aceite en el sartén sobre la estufa al fuego mediano.
Luego, ponga la cebolla en el sartén. Sofríalos por 10 minutos.
Ahora, corte 4 tomates medianos. Añádalos al sartén con sal y pimiento y sofríalos por 5 minutos.
Agregue un medio taza de crema y una taza de queso cortado en tiras. Mezcle hasta que el queso empiece a derretirse.
Finalmente, échelo en la patata y disfrute.
Hola.
Vamos a usar un cuchillo. Wait, is it un? Oh, it's un cuchillo.
Right now, oh no, that's not how you say it. I was trying to make a blooper.
Hola.
Okay. Wow. He's so cool.
She's a pro. Let's not put that in. She's a pro.
Kid's a pro.
Don't include that one.
Andrea's practicing her sick onion cutting skills,
Yeah.
even though she messed up the first time. Just kidding.
I did it right the first time.
And I totally just cried cutting onions. I didn't actually know it was that bad until I did it now. Because I was like, oh, I totally know how to peel onions. And I went for that knife and I was like, bam! And
Tears.
then tears.
Do we need a whole?
Corte 4 tomates medianos. What? Why would I know how to use a microwave? Hey, look, guys, it's a potato in a microwave. It's so interesting. Look at that. It's like